My name is Zayed, and today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can leverage digital marketing for your restaurant and pubs. So in this video you're going to learn how hotel restaurants or pubs or even individual restaurants can increase the sales and footfalls to their restaurants with innovative digital marketing strategy. So let's get started. So to begin with, I would like to tell you a very good quote written by Julia Child. As you can read on the screen, people who love to eat are always the best people, right? So here's how customer discover your uh, restaurant or pubs on the internet. So first way to discover your restaurant or pubs on the internet is the responsive website. That means whether you have a well optimized responsive website for your restaurant or not, along with the online ordering menu or the testimonials, the prices of menu, the your store location, etc., etc. So this is one of the must have thing you should invest as in a responsive website. So basically responsive website, I hope you must have understood, you must have heard about, like nowadays website must work in tablet devices or mobile devices and laptops and computers. So that is what the responsive website is all about. Second is the local SEO. So local SEO means when someone is searching, let's say, best pizza in your city. So whether your restaurant is getting visible in that particular city or not. So if your restaurant name is well optimized in Google search engine, while searching about your restaurant specialty, and if it get visible on the Google search, when someone try to search best pizza in your city, this should appear in the Google search. That will definitely lead to more footfalls and sales for your restaurant. The number three is local food bloggers. So there are a lot of people write about restaurant reviews in your city, and they would basically they are food bloggers, and they love to roam around in the city, have different cuisine uh, taste along with their friends and family. So you must be able to find them and must be able to invite in your restaurant to write the positive review about your restaurant, and that will definitely going to influence a lot of people in your city. And definitely when someone else who is the influencer about the foods in your city is posting your restaurant reviews or pictures on their social media profiles, it is going to influence them, right? So that is the another important thing you should look at it. Number four is online reputation management. So you need to make sure that all the customer reviews are positive, whether they are on Google search or on any other reviews website. So you really need to make sure that all your reviews are positive, and if someone have left the negative reviews about your restaurant, you need to make sure that you contact to that particular visitor who left the negative review, and uh, tell them that sorry for the inconvenience, or or whatever, to apologize them. So at least if someone else read those negative reviews, uh, they can see that okay, at least these restaurant owners are apologizing what they have done wrong with, right? And then the another last thing is the social media, which we are all familiar with. So whether Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube even, these are the platforms you can actually post your restaurant images, latest specialties you have, or offers you have, or restaurant videos you have. This is definitely going to attract a lot more customer to your restaurant. So this these are basically five ways to attract more and more customer to your uh, restaurants. And also these are the five ways how the customers finds you online. So I will just walk you through the secret recipe, as we call it, the secret ingredients to make a successful digital marketing strategy for any restaurant worldwide, whether you are a single restaurant or a multi-chain restaurant, it applicable to all. So as you can read on the screen, it's a very creative approach which we have developed, and like step number one. So quick bite. So in quick bite we perform a profiling of your brand, local market and competition, your current digital footprint and engagement. So we really sit down with your team and analyze what creative things we can develop, maybe in the form of social media post or website, or even the creative material, or posters about the latest offer or the latest menu you have launched. So we will, sit with your team and we will discuss everything under step number one. Then the step number two is the 9 course meal, which is basically like this is where you should invest for effective digital marketing strategy for your restaurant. So rebranding like logo, collaterals if required, mobile optimized responsive website as I said earlier, then mobile app and web-based food ordering, menu and events. So it's not essential, but if you really want to be more accessible to your customers, then I would really suggest you to spend on these platform as well, where your customer can order online or mobile app, and your delivery guys will reach out to them to their home or offices. And social media marketing and management, of course, so it has to be really effective. And content marketing, then food blogging as I explained earlier, local search marketing. So when someone tries to find your kind of specialties of restaurant, you should be able to show your website and your restaurant location, so they can find you easily and they can drive towards your restaurant. And then digital ad strategy across platform, like running paid ads on Facebook, Instagram, or mobile and Google AdWords. So multiple ad platforms also could be run. Then the merchandise designs like t-shirt design, or something visually appealing, where your customer see your employees, and they're wearing your brand t-shirts, your restaurant brand t-shirts. So it really appeals them, it really uh, uh, remind them about your brand. And it actually I mean, not just merchandise design or like employees wearing your restaurant branded t-shirt, but also servicing. So all these things has to be very visually appealing, and in a very detailed work you need to do it in order to satisfy your customer. Then last but not the least, email newsletter design and subscriber management. So every week or so you need to email to your subscriber about the latest dishes or menus you have launched or offers you have in your restaurant. This will really make your customer keep coming back to your restaurant. So I hope you've got the idea that how you can uh, invest effectively in digital marketing for your restaurants to increase more sales and footfalls. So we help restaurants to grow in digital world. And if you want a complimentary consultation with me, you can contact me, email me, or connect me on our Twitter handle of our company, and we will get in touch with you very soon. Thank you for watching this video.